Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of crypto in 2025, you might be wondering how to securely transfer your Chainlink tokens from Revolut to your Arculus wallet. This is a smart move for better asset management and enhanced security, especially with the evolving crypto landscape. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this confidently and without any hiccups. Let's get started. First things first, make sure your Arculus wallet is set up and verified. Download the app if you haven't already, create an account, and go through the verification process. This usually involves linking your email or phone and enabling two-factor authentication for extra security. Trust me, it's worth it to protect your assets. Next, open your Revolut app and head to the crypto section. Log in with your credentials, navigate to your Chainlink holdings, and select the option to withdraw or transfer funds. Revolut makes this pretty straightforward, but double-check that you're selecting Chainlink specifically, as crypto transactions are irreversible. Now, for the key step, you'll need to get your Arculus wallet address. In the Arculus app, go to the Receive section, select Chainlink, and copy the wallet address. Paste this address into the Revolut withdrawal form. Always verify the address twice to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are long and easy to mess up. Once everything looks good, enter the amount of Chainlink you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Revolut might ask for additional verification, like a PIN or biometric scan, so be prepared. After you hit send, keep an eye on the transaction status in both apps. It could take a few minutes to a couple of hours, depending on network congestion in 2025. Finally, once the transfer is complete, check your Arculus wallet balance to ensure everything arrived safely. Congrats! You've just moved your Chainlink to a more secure spot. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support for either app. Thanks for watching, and remember, staying informed is key in crypto. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.